Today a little different approach to media. I'm gonna sail on Techno Plus, and you will have a chance to see how it looks from a competitor's perspective.
Start is a key element to a good race. I sailed on a Techno Plus before, but this was my first race ever. My plan was to start from the race committee boat because I don't have the race watch and I was only guessing seconds to the start. But this is an Asian championship and guys didn't let me get my dream spot. So just a few seconds before the start I decided to sail down the line and try to look for a place in the first row. I found a little gap and I went for it, but my timing was not spot on, and just after start I have to dig below the Japan 783 to get some speed and get out from his wind shadow. You can clearly see that this was my first race on a Techno Plus, and guys on the first upwind were much faster than me. Conditions were quite difficult because wind was changing a lot. Top mark I was far behind the best guys in the fleet. Then the wind got much lighter, and for the rest of the race it was more or less a pumping race. After a while I finally found a better trim for the sail and I started to catch up on some of the guys. In races like this, when the wind is coming and going, it's very important to use every gust. The wind picked up just a little when I was coming to the reaching mark, and with a little bit of pumping I could shorten the distance to guys in front of me very quick. But that was it for the race. No more gusts, no more planing for me, so we were just pumping together with the other guys trying to get to the finish. During the race the wind got much lighter, so at the end the race took almost an hour to finish. The wind was dropping down even more and the race committee decided to send us back to the beach. It could have been a long ride for me, but on a windsurfing event nobody gets left behind.
To my great friends from Hong Kong, I don't have to be pumping back to the beach. I have a beautiful ride.
In the afternoon the wind picked up again and all went out for another race. Sailing in good conditions, that is something that all windsurfers like most. And the second thing, it's party. Because a good competition is a 50% of fair racing and 50% of fun with friends.
Gracias. Kanpai. Gracias.